night didn't end. It stayed with me, even after the knocking stopped. I didn't tell anyone. Couldn't. Who would believe me? Morning came, but it didn't feel like morning. I hadn't slept, not even for a second. My body felt heavy. My head, worse. I picked up my phone, thought about calling someone, anyone, but something inside me stopped me. The feeling, cold, sharp, like a warning. If I told anyone, something bad would happen. So I stayed quiet. At work, nothing felt real. Voices sounded distant, faces blurred together. I couldn't focus. I couldn't breathe properly. Every second felt wrong, like I wasn't supposed to be there. I rushed home, fast, too fast, looking behind me every few seconds, feeling like something was following me, watching me, waiting. By the time I got home, I knew one thing: this wasn't over. Night came again, and with it, the rain, louder than before, heavier, like something was trying to break in. My phone lit up in the dark. Don't look at reflections tonight. This time, it didn't feel like advice. It felt like a rule. I turned on my flashlight. The room felt smaller, colder. The shadows looked wrong. Too long, too still. I avoided the mirror, the TV, the window, anywhere that could show me. My phone buzzed. Good, you're listening. My throat went dry. What happens if I don't? A pause. Then it sees you. My heart dropped. What sees me? No reply. Then a sound. A drip, drip, drip. I turned slowly. The bathroom door was open. Water running inside. But I didn't touch it. I know I didn't. I walked closer. Slowly. My chest tightening with every step. The light flickered. On, off, then stayed on. I pushed the door open. The tap was running, water overflowing into the sink, and above it, the mirror. I froze. I didn't look. I tried not to, but from the corner of my eye, I saw it. Someone standing behind me. My breath stopped. I turned. Nothing.
Empty.
No one.
I turned back slowly, and this time I looked. It was me. Just me, standing there.
And this time,